multiplication of numbers which are close to 100 or numbers close to 1000 and so on. Let us take some examples to understand this. The first one here is 98 into 93. As you can see here, both the numbers are close to 100. Now what we do here is, as both the numbers are close to 100, we can take the base as 100. That means we need to understand what is the distance of these two numbers from 100. For example, 98 is nothing but 100 minus 2 and 93 is 100 minus 7. So the first step here is we need to check the distance of these numbers from 100 or from 1000 as the case may be. So here, as the base is 100, that is the numbers are close to 100, we are checking the distance from 100. So 98 is 100 minus 2 and 93 is 100 minus 7. The next step here is to take the cross difference between the numbers and the distances. For example, we need to take 98 minus 7 or 93 minus 2 in the answer as the first step. So 98 minus 7 is equal to 91, or 93 minus 2 as well is 91. So 98 minus 7 is 91, or we can say 93 minus 2 is 91. So the first step here is to take the cross difference of the distance with the number and write the result in the answer. Now 91 here is nothing but 9100 because the base here is 100. So this is like 9100. And to this 9100 we need to add the product of these two numbers. Now minus 2 into minus 7 is plus 14. So we can say 14 should be added to this. So 9114 will be the answer. Examples to understand this. The next one here is 97 into 89. Now as you can see here, 97 is 100 minus 3 and 89 is 100 minus 11. So we can either take 97 minus 11 or 89 minus 3. Remember, both the results here will give us the same answer. For example, 97 minus 11 is 86 and 89 minus 3 is also 86. So we can take any one of them as per our convenience. We also understand that this 86 is followed by two zeros. This is 8600 or 8600. 8600 plus 33, that is again 8633. Let us now take one more example. Here you find that we have to multiply 104 with 112. Now again, both the numbers are close to 100 and both are more than 100. So the distance of these two numbers from 100 is plus 4 and plus 12. Why? Because 104 is 100 plus 4 and 112 is 100 plus 12. Again, we need to take the cross addition here, cross addition or cross difference as the case may be. So we need to add 104 with 112 or 112 with 4. And as we know, both of them will give us the same answer. For example, 104 plus 12 is 116 and 112 plus 4 is also 116. So that 116 comes in the answer. And the next step here is 4 into 12. Remember, plus 4 into plus 12. Even the signs have to be considered. For example, in the previous case, it was minus 3 into minus 11 plus 33. Minus 2 into minus 7 plus 14. So plus 4 into plus 12 is plus 48. So 116, it is actually 11600. But since we have to add 48, we can directly say the answer is 11648. That is 11,648. Let us take one more example here. The question here is 96 into 109. We need to find out the distance of these numbers from 100. So 96 is 100 minus 4 and 109 is 100 plus 9. Now again, we have to take the cross sum, that is either 96 plus 9 or 109 minus 4. 96 plus 9 is 105 and 109 minus 4 is also 105. So 105 directly comes in the answer. Remember, this is 10500. As the base is 100, we have two places left out. Those should be taken as 00. The next step here is multiplication of these two numbers. That is minus 4 into plus 9. As I've already mentioned, the sign also has to be considered. So minus 4 into plus 9 is minus 36. So what we get here is minus, subtract 36, we get 10464. So the answer for 96 into 109 is 10,464.